welcome back. If this is your first time here, my name is Evie. I work for Bela Beauty College in socials, digital creation, and as an educator here as well. So come with us today as we take Lilly, who also works here at Bela Beauty College. We're going to be doing a choose your own Lash-Venture with her today. So what that means is we're going to give her options on density, curl, mapping, color, even some charms. Now the difference is she's not going to actually see what she's choosing. So it's going to be a complete surprise, and I'm so excited to be doing this today. I wanted to do it for a very long time. And this is a really great promotion that you could probably do with your own client base as well. So let's get set up and get ready for our client Lilly. Thank you. So for the curl, we have two. We have C curl and a D curl. For our density, we have light and full. For shape, we're going to be doing a cat or a doll eye. A little pop of color, we're going to do blue or purple. And for charms, because I'm absolutely obsessed with those at the moment, we're going to be doing either a bunny or some silver hearts. So let's let her choose.
I'm actually so excited.